Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2024, the top 10 winning tips. This video guide to how to save a company from round 4 here. Save a company from round 4. Remember, this is the last round we can save the company. If you delay to round 5, 6, 7, 8, we not have enough time to save that. So now, this is the last time. So normally, if you did mistake in round 1, 2, and 3, and then from round 4 we can, this is the last chance to save the company. If you started from ask for help from round 5 or 6 or 7, it's too late. So if you need help, ask from round, at least from round 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now I show you the details. You can see in this case the company started need help in round 4, and round 4 they did not very well. Round 3 result not so good. You see that the sales here is only 131 million compared with the other companies, right? And also the company get a loss of 8 million here, and total loss 18,000. That's very big loss, right? Big loss, and the need now need to recover from this. And also the company get the emergency loan of 3.5 million. So again, if you need help started from round 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, do not delay after round 4, because a new product will need round 2 rounds to start selling and fix INT. So if you ask from round 5, it is too late, right? 4 maybe we have enough time, just enough time to recover. After round 5 and 6 and round 7 and 8 can get some buy put sale and profits. I show you the details. So now we update the INT, right? Update the INT 7.8, 9.2. Update the IND for low end entry edition, and now for the high end, right? High end can update only to 10.7 and 9.3. Performance maybe 12.4. We try that, right? And 13.9, and then here size of 5.4 and 8.6, 20,000. In this case, we have round 5, 6, 7, and 8 left, 5 rounds. So we are going to develop one new product in low end, ready to sell from round 5. So we still get round 6, 7, and 8, 3 rounds to double the sale and profit. So we add one new product in the low end segment here. Now we set decision for the price, right? Decision for the price for round 4. We check the report to see if we can adjust the promotion and sales. You can reduce the budget for promotion. You can reduce the budget for promotion because it has reached 100% of customer awareness. The most important part is to calculate the sales forecast for the coming round based on the unique result from last round here and the inventory. We use the Excel file to calculate the sales forecast for the coming round. You can adjust the promotion budget because it has reached 100% of customer awareness. We keep the budget for sale is okay, and we input sale forecast after calculation. And now we set for the production schedule. Remember, do not copy the number because number may be different from student to student. I will show you the strategy how to save the company from round 4. How to save the company from round 4, but you don't copy the number. You can use the strategy the way we are doing. I'm showing on the screen, but do not copy the number, right? Because the number may be different from student to student. Just use the strategy I'm showing you, right? So you see, in this case, we need to adjust the capacity to get enough fund for the new product. And again, I say again and again many times, round 4 is the last round to ask for help because she delayed to round 5. We have no time to fix the company. So this case, the company get a lot of loss and wrong update in the previous round 1, 2, and 3, and round 4 is the last chance to save the company. So we can save it now. We see that we keep enough capacity and update the automation, right? HR decision is okay, and take the finance decision, right? Finance decision, we need as much budget we have to avoid emergency loans. Avoid emergency loans. So we need as much funds we have possible, right? Current debts. We get no long-term debt, so we need to use all the current debts, right? If we have the max, you can use 26, so we use all the max 26. So you see that we need to save this budget to avoid emergency loans. And for the TQM, we use 1,000 as usual, right? So you see, this is an example to show you that we can only save the company from round 4, no later than round 4, no later than round 4, and it is very difficult, right? Difficult. We need to do that very detailed. So start early, right? Watch the video from round 1, 2, and 3, and start early for have not delay until round 4, 5. It's quite late. Now we check the result. We can increase the sale from 131 and loss here, right? 131 loss here, emergency loans here, to get better results here. You see that to increase a lot from 130 to 230, and we can increase the profit, get back the profit first. We are still spending a lot in promotion and sales here, nearly 17 million, and spend around 6, but that's good improvement from the loss of 8 million, right? So that's a way we can save the company from round 4. So I just show you how to save the company from round 4, but remember, do not copy the number. I show you the strategy. Do not copy the number, right? Use the strategies alone and only. And if you have a question, you can send the email to mbahef2002@gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Remember, this is an example to save the company, so we can save that, but do not delay this until it's quite late already. Just enough time, 5 and 6 to get round 5 and 6 to get back the good sales, and 7 and 8 we can round 7 and 8 we can continue to get better sale and profit. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.